instinctive also as a person and as a casting director when it comes to shortlisting or locking a character. Uh, there's this term that we sometimes use कि ये चमक रहा है ये चमक गया इस character के लिए. So yeah, in spite of an actor being a good actor, it's there are some parts that he's better at, and there are sometimes an actor does not see things in himself that possibly we can see. He's got that side of him or herself. So yeah, I think yeah, it's different for each film, and depending on the filmmaker, it's a different process each time. Yeah.
So this also, now interestingly enough, so Vaibhav, even in my introduction for you and everything, that we've been studying up and also studying everything that anti-casting has been doing. Of course, you had me at your brand name, which I shared with you. Very, very unique. And it's something that just clicks and stays with you. But now, there's a difference between a star and an actor. So before I hand over this entire question to you, Rakul has been a star and an actor, and I think she knows the difference between the two with all the characters that she portrays. So, Rakul, before Vaibhav takes over, because I think he is in that process of converting that actor into a star, and with starring you, even though there could be, gazillion job opportunities and roles, I think he's going to take over converting them and giving them that opportunity. But for you, how has it been? With all the different roles that you do, is it more Rakul that you see, or is it just the character that you get into, and that kind of a method of acting, so to speak, that makes you the star that you are?
So Gulnar, I think like times have changed. How I see it is that few years back, it was the stardom which was regarded as the biggest thing, right? I wouldn't say, but not such great actors were stars, are stars, and that doesn't, that's great. But I think now, kind of films that are coming in, the kind of content that is coming in, I think your longevity depends on how good an actor or how versatile an actor you are. And I think Vaibhav would agree, because at least the last 3 years, 4 years have seen a complete paradigm shift in the way people view your films. I think as an audience, because I'm a very critical audience, so when I see a film, और अगर किसी एक्टर ने 4-5 फिल्मों में एक जैसा काम करा है, तो then you're like, there's no variety coming, or they're reacting the same way. Whereas that used to not happen 10 years back or 15 years back, or when we grew up, on the doors of films that we grew up. So I think that star and actor is a term which has been coined by, star is a term which has been coined by the industry, by the people actually, for the actors. But ultimately, all of us are actors. Everybody, whether it's a character actor, whether it's a main lead actor, everybody who's a part of the film, contributes equally. And every film needs a bunch of good actors. I think that's what I'd like to say. And coming to the second part of your question, it depends from role to role. Now, there are certain roles, your quintessential dancing, some
Girl next
they
door.
want literally you to do workshops, and you're being your glam self, and you're just being bubbly sometimes, when I started out. But those things have now changed, and I think I'm really enjoying this phase of working, especially over the last 2-3 years, where every character requires a certain nuanced performance. Like if you see Attack, which, by the way, everybody who's watching, Attack was brought to me by Vaibhav.
Wow, so nice.
So my role in Attack is very different from my role in Mayday, where I play a pilot. Very different to where I play a gynac in Dr. G, where I learned Hindi more properly, like the Lucknowi Hindi, because she's a Muslim girl. तो उनका जो बात करने का तरीका होता है, वो जो हिंदी की pronunciation होती है, वो बहुत साफ होती है. So how in Delhi we keep saying chahiye chahiye, it's not chahiye chahiye, zarurat. वो छोटी चीज, like a North Indian character might just say, Delhi character might just say properly, but I had to all of that, so I did those diction classes. Now what I'm playing, Chhatri Wali, is a very Delhi Punjabi, whereas I don't speak in Delhi Punjabi Hindi.
That's our Hindi.
Like that Punjabi.
That's our Hindi.
Yeah, latka.
That's our Hindi. Got it.
So I feel now times have changed where you need to bring something to every character. Changes. So I think it depends film to film.
Film to film. But Vaibhav, so what about now all the, like I said, actor to star, star to also maybe a little controversial, but actors. I think with all of the, casting that you've done, there are a lot of stars also that you've taken. And I've seen a few recent films and I'm like, wow, this man can act and he was a star all along. So what is it that, how are you balancing it out? Actually, I think that is a better question for me to ask you than how Rakul's also told us about the methods that have been there from yesteryears to now.
I quite agree with what Rapil said. That demarcation of somebody who comes to the industry to try and become a star, everybody wants to. Absolutely, I would not deny that. But ultimately, we need to realize that that star, that particular star, is an actor first. He's doing his daily job as an actor, and
Absolutely.
variables, when a film is being made, the story, the director, the hundred who are working for you and towards that, but you never know कि कौन सी कहानी the audience को इतनी पसंद आ जाती है that they start loving you as much that you become a star. It reminds me, but yeah, again, I also quite agree with what Rahul said, that this gap between an actor and a star is narrowing down as at times now.
The gap is narrowing down.
I remember Mr. Shah Rukh Khan saying this in an interview a few years back, where he was asked that who do you think will be the next big star in the industry, who will be as big as you? And he said that I don't want to be pompous by saying this, but I'm the last of the stars. And that's quite true. And
yeah, that the times were completely different. Now today, people even have they don't have they don't give you a second chance because of the access or because of possibly internet, or because you think that you can just say or voice anything or put down an actor, or because you have an opinion now suddenly which people can view. You are judging them constantly every single day of how that actor has done, how is he looking in that scene, oh they didn't look good, oh I don't think they performed well. And these are completely people who have all the time in the world to judge, right? So the audience has very little patience now for not good performances. So they'll write you off immediately.
But apart from even the performances, sorry to cut you there, but when we were all thinking about starring you, and we've been working on this app for a really long time, and the overwhelming response that came in, there is a question that came to my mind as well, which I'm gonna just direct straight away to you, Vaibhav. If there is a known artist versus a person that is not known, how would you pick who the right person is for a particular character? And you said कि वो चमक आ जाती है, and for you maybe it's your gut instinct, and that's why we have a successful story base. But through our app and all the aspiring talent that's going to come, and they're going to apply for the jobs that are available. So how are you going to decide who are you going to pick in that scenario?
Keeping that in mind, I understand where you're coming from, but while, and this is in fact a very interesting question, because this is a discussion that I often have with my team as well. There's a known actor who we have an option to go with, and there's somebody who's absolutely does not have that body of work. Sure. But see, again, coming back, it depends on the filmmaker, but you never know. The suitability to the part would not depend on that a known actor or a recognizable actor or not. Somebody absolutely known suit that part better and make that story more believable for the show or the film to work, than just decorating it with somebody who you feel will get you viewers. Because I think times have changed. People are absolutely looking out for actors who can just and bring that story alive. So उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ता आज की there's this very known actor.
known hai ya known.
Yeah, anybody who can pull that off. So yeah, I think yeah, that's how it is now.
No, because the thing is, all the tips that even we can give, because even from Rakul's end for being a successful talent, and you're an extremely successful talent hunter, I would put it in our app terminology. But, what are the tips that you guys can possibly give to all those dreamers out there? It's apart from, getting your story alive, and everybody will say कि मुझ में दम है and मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. And there is a starry-eyed project or a dream, because stardom brings in that it is a world that all of us want to somewhere be a part of. So in fact, even on the app, we've been getting so many queries of all hidden dreams are kind of coming out, and people are reaching out and trying to share that little something, that little light that I keep also telling, that Rakul is the torch bearer, all right, but how is it that you're going to actually let these guys know that we're here and you can approach us with ease? Either one of you take up this first
Go
for
ahead.
me.
No,
Vaibhav,
so,
I think yeah, we want to hear it from you.
actually, it's so surprising that actors on the other end feel that it's tough to get a job, and हम लोग दिन भर ऑफिस में बैठकर यही कर रहे होते हैं कि हम एक्टर ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. So process.
True,
Because
true.
that's when something like starring you comes to use, and that's the reason why when Aman shared this idea with me, and I was so excited about it, because this is, if you see how it works in the West, the thing is that casting's so much more organized there, and that's the only one I
Absolutely.
have, because everybody's there under one umbrella, which is accessible to the
Absolutely.
people who are looking for talent. What happens in India is that casting also becomes a lot about scouting and finding that, one fish in the sea who you don't know, because the ocean
Yeah.
that you want to, yeah. So, and with something like starring you, because it's so streamlined, and I and Aman also spoke about apps down west, like this website called Spotlight, which is the home of casting in UK.
Yeah.
There are portals in America, like Backstage and Actors Access, that we also use here in India when we have to cast international actors, and so on and so forth. So, but India, में there's no one umbrella which exists in which everybody can be brought in together. I'm specifically talking about actors right now, because yeah, I cast, but it'll be such a great thing because it'll make our jobs so much simpler.
So much simpler.
But I'll tell you that how much soever anybody says that, I can't believe this, that any casting director would be able to check all his emails. It's difficult to uh, even keep a track and keep a database of something which is so humongous in a country like ours. So
Yeah.
it's very, very important that I'm looking for something specific, and I can straight away just push a few buttons in this app and find exactly what I'm looking for. Nothing like it. It will save so much of our time, and so good for the actors who've been trying to reach us. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है that I remember that I met this actor 5 years back, and where were you? And why did I not remember?
Wow.
Yeah.
That's extremely very sweet, and I think that's very encouraging also for you to share that, because to be honest, when I heard of anti-casting the first time, I think you've also somewhere paved a way, because there weren't agencies, that were giving that platform earlier to people that, hey guys, if these are your projects, we are the people, we will cast all the characters for you. And I think that little game changing thing that you did years ago, I think bearing fruit, and we are taking it all digital right now. In terms of getting everyone under the same umbrella, but I think even for you to pave that way and come up with the casting calls, because I don't think that even existed back in the day, that one actor's calendar had to be filled up and वो एक ही actor के पीछे सब भागते थे. I think with the work that you've also done, you've kind of deciphered, okay, ये मेरा character है, या star हो या actor हो, मैं इसको लूंगा. जब मैं I'm going to quote you again on that, चमक दिखेगी to bring the character to life.
I think we all have. I think even I and Rakul know each other since years. She's
Yeah.
and
And I want to add here that when Vaibhav said कि इतने सारे emails होते हैं, which I was talking to somebody else while I was giving an interview for Starring You, where I said the biggest challenge is to get the right information of where the casting is happening. So when I moved to Bombay, I'm giving my own example. पहले तो ढूंढो कि casting directors कौन कौन है, फिर
कौन
ढूंढो
है
कि वो कौन
exactly?
कास्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर उनके नंबर ढूंढो, फिर उनको कॉल करो जो वो नहीं उठाएंगे बिकॉज उनको बहुत कॉल्स आती हैं. हाउ डू यू मेक योरसेल्फ visible that hey, I exist? It's very
Approachable, yeah.
difficult. How do you make yourself and then
True.
approachable, and then putting your best foot forward, getting that opportunity to, okay, test me, I'm ready to test. So it's a long process. So I was saying that it takes generally 2 years for people to make themselves known in a circuit like Bombay, that hey, I exist and I'm interested in acting. कम से कम 2 साल लग
And
जाते
yeah,
टच बेस करने में और एक राउंड ऑफ ऑडिशंस करने में. And I have known Vaibhav actually from my audition days, I think, right? Like from very many, like I think many years back. And yeah, so it's a long process, and the app sort of speedens the process. It gives you access to these people who are watching your work. You don't have to move to Bombay to do this. You can be pursuing your other day job and just audition and upload, because खाली actor ही नहीं, इतनी बार requirement, I'm sure Vaibhav will agree, आ जाती है कि मतलब you need a Tamil speaking boy, जिसको हिंदी भी आती हो, तमिल भी आती हो, suppose किसी film में, so now you can get that because we have so much talent across the country. I just hope people understand the app properly और वो उसका use करें, play with the app, upload it, put out your best shot, and I think it's swifter access.
so true, so true.
access
This
also first mover advantage.
so yeah, just adding to that, there's so much of talent across the country who've no idea how to reach out to somebody, who's actually
Somebody, yeah.
at place, and this app, maybe a platform like this can give them an opportunity to just click a few buttons on at their home and and get a job. Nothing like it. Yeah.
And that you all are
Yeah.
approachable, which is the most important thing, because I think one thing that we've also been noticing with all the messages that we're getting flooded with is that you're approachable now. So it's and it's really really amazing. However, you also put that across, that it's not just the actor looking for a job. There is somebody like you also, who's back end and who's trying to like get everything together. And for you also, this has eased the entire process for everyone to just reach out, and that makes it easier for not just actors, but I think it's every field in the film industry, where I think we're all giving an opportunity here.
Absolutely.
So guys,
And
yeah,
I'm
so
going to
Rakul, yes,
last
a little
thing
bit
that
on how they can reach out.
sorry, you said something.
I'm saying a little last parting words from you on how people can just reach out and turn their dreams into a reality.
Well, I'd just say that, download the app, complete your profiles, put out your best, foot forward. And like I've been saying earlier also, it's not magic that's going to happen overnight. It's just saving you a lot of time. It's saving you a lot of money, and wait for it. Keep trying. Because like you asked earlier, what is that one tip that I would give is that perseverance is the key. You have to keep trying, you have to be focused, and you have to give your 100%. There is no way that you can think that you can be a star in any field. See, star is just a term. You can excel in any field without giving your 100%. So keep giving your 100%, and it'll happen. The universe will make it happen.
Yeah, we have Vaibhav here, who I've been saying, all the actors he's turning to stars, and stars into actors. Vaibhav, a little bit from you, please, for all the aspiring talent out there, because I think, you also have had a first mover advantage with anti-casting, and you are bridging that gap in your own way with Starring You. I think it's literally just joining forces, and both of you are going to be showing the light. So, little bit something from you now
Yeah,
for all
absolutely.
aspiring talent.
I think this is the best time right now in our industry. I share this with my friends, my actor friends as well, that there can't be a better time than this. With the amount
Yeah.
of content and the amount of good work that's happening, which is also going to increase multi levels with the years to come now, I feel. I think this there can't be a better time for anybody who wants to pursue a career in our industry, be it an actor or be it whosoever, you know. And this platform hopefully will, you know, if we and actually come under one umbrella, this will make things much easier for people behind and people who want to be actors as well. And yeah, so I think definitely keep working on your skills. It's very important to be perseverant and reach out. And there's no easier way to reach out that could be possibly than just a few click of buttons from this app, you know. So yeah, that's what I'd like to say.
Awesome. Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much, both of you. And it's been a pleasure. And I have taken a few one-liners from both of you that I'm going to be quoting in very soon. But thanks a lot. And I hope everyone who's been watching is going to go and just download the app now. And welcome to Stardom, everyone.
Thank you, Gulnar.
Thank
Bye
you.
very
Thank you.
much,
Thank you
guys.
so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Lovely talking.